Siemens, a global manufacturer, is leveraging widely deployed IoT sensors to feed their Insights platform running on Microsoft Azure IoT Edge. To ensure that the IoT telemetry is securely sent to the right location, Siemens leverages our Zero Trust Exchange. Also, Siemens IoT sensors are hidden behind Zscaler. They cannot be discovered or attacked from the internet, resulting in better security. Let's hear from Hannah Hennig, the global CIO of Siemens, on how we are collaborating to secure OT and IoT environments.
Dear Jay, and hello everyone. Thank you very much for having me in your presentation at Zenith 21. As the Siemens CIO, it is a great pleasure for me to announce our cooperation in bringing the Zero Trust cybersecurity approach to our factories. At Siemens, we continuously innovate to unite the digital and the real world in factories, which makes production smarter, better, and more efficient. We also innovate our products in the area of cybersecurity. Therefore, I'm very grateful that we can enrich our new SCALANCE local processing engine industrial device with Zscaler technology. The solution brings Zero Trust approach into the OT space, significantly increasing the cybersecurity of remote access services. The implementation can often be performed without the change of existing OT network infrastructure. The operation complexity and the runtime costs can be significantly decreased. Maintenance travels to OT locations can be reduced. The new solution is piloted in our plants and R&D locations in Amberg and Karlsruhe and shall be offered soon in further Siemens OT locations. In accordance to our cybersecurity policies, we also aim to extend the remote access and maintenance capabilities to external technicians. This is really an important step forward in the remote connectivity space. It enables the company showing the great example of IT and OT convergence. So thank you, Jay. We are looking forward to innovating with state-of-the-art technology, adding further use cases supported by the Zero Trust cybersecurity approach.
Thank you, Hannah.